Apple Notes for taking notes. And yes, you are right for taking notes. But did you know the Apple Notes would do so much more? Without making much fuss, let's get to the video. Now before we get to today's video, know that there are lots of significant features the Apple Notes can play. But on today's video, we are going to concentrate on two significant features. Now for the first tip, did you know that you could lock your files in your Notes app? To make it more interesting, to emphasize on what I'm saying, did you know that you could lock your files, let's say your pictures, your videos, also in your Apple Notes? Now to do this, first you need to make sure you've allowed iCloud access on your Notes app. You have to go to your settings, click on your Apple profile. You scroll down and click on iCloud. Scroll down the list of apps, then turn on the button close to the Notes app to make sure iCloud has access to your notes. Now note that this being your first time, you'll be required to set a password for more security authentications. Do that and also make sure that the Face ID or the Touch ID for older devices options is also ticked on.
Now launch the note from your home screen. Tap on an existing note or type a new note. You could also copy a picture or a video or any document you would want to lock in the Notes app into the Notes app, then perform the lock feature as we are going through. When that is done, tap on the options menu on the top right corner. Tap Lock Note in the options provided. You use a Touch ID or a Face ID if available to lock your note. If you prefer not to use the Touch ID or the Face ID option, you can tap Enter Password. A lock animation will confirm the note has been secured. Now, one important thing to remember is that while the body of the note will be hidden when locked, the title of the note will still be visible, so you can find later when you want to unlock it. Now, to make sure you don't leak any information unintentionally, never put anything in the title you wouldn't want anyone else to see.
Now for our second tip, did you know you could also scan documents in your Notes app? To make it more interesting, did you know also you could make scanned PDFs in your Notes app? Well, if you did, congratulations for being a very good explorer. But if you didn't, let me guide you to the next treasure chest.
Now open a new or existing note. Tap on the camera icon and tap Scan Documents. Now place your document in the camera's view. You can use the auto capture option by bringing your document into the viewfinder, or use the shutter button or one of the volume buttons to capture the scan. If needed, adjust the calmness of the scan by dragging, then tap Keep Scan. You can scan more pages if needed. Now tap Save in the bottom right corner when you are all done. You should name the document after saving, or just use the default name if you are okay with it. Sharing from here is easy, as just tapping on the share button and share, or accessing the share options in the Notes app.
These are two major things that the Apple Notes will do, but as I said, there is so much more. More of these will be shared in the form of links and videos down in the description side of this. Also note that other tech videos on the channel we posted down in the description side as well. Don't forget also to subscribe and like the channel as always. And don't forget to also put some comments down in the comment section so that we can have interactions. If you want me to also talk about other tech things that I've not talked about, you can also put them down in the comment section. Let's get the buzz going about tech. Once again, it has been your June Kiddo Melon here for MTT. Peace.